everyone, it's Hanny with my new journal I just finished, and well, I thought let's do a flip through. I think I'm going to put this journal in my Etsy shop because I have a lot of journals, but I like to make them. It's a journal with a cardboard cover, and I put some wallpaper on it, and this is package paper, how do we call that, and some burlap and a piece of cardstock, whatever. This is yeah, I think it's from a wedding dress. It's kind of silky stuff, frayed, and I put a little earring at the spine. I bind the journal with rope, so you can take out the pages if you want to, like this. You can just take them out, or put some pages in if you want to. There are 4 signatures, each well, around about 7 sheets, so that's 4 times 7 is 28 pages in one signature, roundabout. Maybe some signature is one more or one less, I'm not sure yet. And there are 4 signatures, thus approximately that's 4 times 28, well, more than 100 pages. It's the measurement. Sorry, I have to fetch my ruler. It's in inches, 5 1/4 by 8 1/4 inch, and that's in centimeters. 13 1/2, 14 by 21. Yeah, 21, I think. It's a bit smaller than A5. Oh, there should go. So let's take a look. On the back of the, how do we call the thing? Well, the outside. An envelope, little envelope with a tag, and you can write on that, and on the tag you can write. Is a lot of journaling space, and like I said, you can put pages in and out, and well, you can do what you want with it. Here's a pocket with with a card and a journaling card in it, and a tag, or a tab, I should say tab. Well, there are 4 tabs on top. Here is a piece of lace. You can put things on there with a little, well, you could do the earring on there, for example. Here is a pocket, torn pocket, with a little journaling spot and a card with a squirrel on it. And here is a pocket with a journaling card, some tracing paper, book papers and handmade paper. And here's a little journaling spot. It's a little pocket too. And here's a tag in the big pocket. Here's a pocket where you can put things in, like that, you see, and an old book page. Here's a pocket book pages and homemade paper, tracing paper again, and book pages. This is wallpaper with a belly band from a ruffle. Here is a piece of fabric, and you can journal on that. 2 pockets with cards in it, and here is a pocket with a card and another card. Journaling space, belly band from a snippet with a card, book pages, and here is a pocket, and here's a little pocket with 2 tickets. This is wallpaper again with handmade paper. You can journal on. Another little envelope with a little tag in it and a library card behind it. Journaling space, and here a pocket with a tag, book pages, another pocket with a journaling card, and here is a journaling card. And I attached that with a paper clip. Another journaling spot and space to journal. Here a little embellishment on an old book page. Another book page. Well, I don't know how you call that. Here is a pocket with 3 Rolodex cards in it. Journaling space with a homemade paper and a little spot to write on. A envelope with a few tickets behind it, and you can put something in there, of course, like so. Another book page. Here is a little booklet you can write on. Here's another pocket made from a, well, little bag with a big tag in it where you can journal on. And here's another pocket with a little flower and a bridge card. Another tab, tracing paper again with a little writing spot and journaling space. Another wallpaper with a pocket and a little cluster in it. Another book page and journaling space. Here's another big journaling card or journal card. Journaling card or journal card? Well, I don't know. Attached with a paper clip again. Come on. Like so. Tracing paper and another journaling page and another pocket. Like so. Well, that's a journal. I like making it. I hope you like it. And I will make some more because I love making journals and embellishments. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.